Hey everybody, it's game time. Got some new 1819 Select basketball. Oh, we're going to be looking for some Luka. 3 autographs or mem cards. I love Select football. I assume I will probably love Select basketball just as much, even though I don't know basketball as well as I know football. So we have Ayton, Trae Young, and Mr. Luka Doncic. There are the odds if anybody's interested. All kinds of prism possibilities. Zebra. All kinds of goodies. So let's get into it. There is also, like football, there are the tiers for the base cards. Concourse and but then there's others. It goes, what does it go? Concourse, Premier level, and then courtside, instead of, where football has what, field level, I think it was. Wow, these are a mess in here. Wow, that's... Luckily though, these heavy thick chrome cards aren't as susceptible to damage as some of the thinner paper cards, like some of the Donruss I just opened. Okay, there are 12 packs in here, and like I said, we're looking for 3 hits. Ugh, hang on. Got my fan on because it's hot in here and it's blowing this camera all around. Let's see if I can fix it really quick. Oh, and that's gonna make a lot of racket because there's the microphone. Ugh. I'll hope. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, let's do this. There's just the Concourse, Kuzma, Sabonis, Smart, Lonnie Walker, the 4th rookie. This is the little die cut parallel to 99, and Divincino, Zinzo. Good lord, that's tough. Either way, it's our rookie. Another rookie. Ooh, we got some color in here. There's Mo Bamba rookie. Wow, this is like the tricolor, I believe. Concourse, not numbered. And a Bamba silver hollow prism. So we did get a rookie there. Another Bamba. This one feels a little thick. Could be a filler. We'll see. Simmons rookie. Hassan, Buddy Hield, Fred VanVleet, parallel, not numbered, and Isaiah Thomas. That looks good. I've got 2 boxes, so there will be another break of this. I'd love to get Luka in both. We'll see. Be lucky to get, with just 12 packs, you just don't know. Jerome Robinson rookie. Good looking Jaylen Brown, who I do like. There he is. So there's one. It'd be nice to get a parallel version. Maybe I'm being greedy, but I'm going to wish for it anyway. Diallo rookie. Ingram. Ayton rookie. Draymond Green, another little die cut to 175, red, and Jacob Evans rookie. There's Mr. James Harden, Grayson Allen rookie, Kevin Durant to 35. Whoa, that is a sweet hit. Better than a rookie. On-card Durant autograph to 35. And this is why people love Select. Yikes, that is nice. Wow. Okay, let me set that down before I do my Butterfingers. And Tyreke Evans. So, really nice bet hit there. I like it. Nerlens, DeAndre Jordan, Wendell Carter Jr. parallel. Phenom, Jaren Jackson Jr., And Jared Vanderbilt rookie. That is the courtside. Mr. Ben Simmons, Kevin Love, Zaire Smith, Damari Carroll, just a plain jersey there, and Elfrid Payton. So nothing too crazy there. It's not numbered or anything. But I'm still happy about that Durant, so whatever. There is Steph Curry, Chris Dunn, J.R. Smith, filler card, a Okogie rookie to 75, and Grayson Allen. Alright, last 3 packs. We're still looking for we got one more hit. Hopefully an autograph. We shall see. Another Luka. Sweet. 2 in 1 box. I like that. Vince Carter, DeAndre Jordan, Prism, Iguodala. This is red, I think, to 199, and Anthony Simmons. Aminu, Donovan Mitchell, Jeremy Lin, Musa, Premier level. I don't remember what this pattern's called. And Kuzma. I wish I could remember, but I can't. Alright, we should have a hit in here. The last pack. Feels thicker, so it may be a jersey. Kevin Knox, Lillard, Ben Simmons, parallel. It's the, hang on, Ben Simmons again. And it's just a little jersey, which I promised you I would learn his name and I haven't. Is it Shamet or Shamay? I'm guessing probably Shamay, but it could be Shamet. But anyways, it's just a little plain jersey. So really the star of this show were the 2 Luka rookies and this sweet Durant autograph to 35. That is something else. Wow. Alright, that is 1 box of 1819 Select. A very nice box. Got one more, and I will get that posted tomorrow. I'm not going to bombard you with videos, even though I bought a ton of these new releases. But I will have the other one for you tomorrow, I promise. Okay, everybody take care. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back with my next break extremely soon. Bye-bye.